Hello friends, this is Nabi, and you are watching Thinkery Channel. Applying to the London School of Economics, or LSE, as an international student involves several key steps, from understanding the academic requirements to securing a student visa, ensuring you are well prepared for this prestigious institution. This comprehensive guide provides an A to Z overview of the application process, including academic prerequisites like degree equivalence, required documents such as transcripts and personal statements, English proficiency tests, the visa application procedure, and details on available scholarships for international applicants. LSE is renowned for its rigorous academic standards, and admission is highly competitive, requiring international students to demonstrate excellent academic achievement through strong grades and relevant qualifications to stand out among global applicants. For undergraduate programs, applicants typically need A*AA or equivalent qualifications, with Indian students generally requiring 90% or higher in Class 12 from boards like CBSE or ISC, reflecting the high standards expected at LSE. Graduate programs usually require a first-class or upper second-class degree from a recognized university, or for Indian students, at least 70% marks in the final examination or a GPA of 3.5 out of 4 or above, particularly in related fields for some courses. A complete application includes several essential documents, starting with official academic transcripts from all secondary and post-secondary institutions attended. And if they are not in English, certified translations must be provided to ensure clarity for the admissions team. A well-crafted personal statement is crucial, as it should articulate your academic interests in detail, explain your motivations for choosing LSE specifically, and clearly demonstrate how the program aligns with your long-term career goals and aspirations. You'll also need at least 2 letters of recommendation from teachers or professors who know you well and can speak to your abilities, and a CV or resume detailing your academic and professional experiences may be required for postgraduate applicants. Proof of English language proficiency is required if English is not your first language, with accepted tests including IELTS, TOEFL, and PTE, which are standard for demonstrating your ability to succeed in an English medium academic environment. LSE typically requires an IELTS score of 7.0 or higher overall, with at least 7.0 in each section, or a TOEFL IBT score of 100 or higher with no less than 25 in each section, ensuring readiness for coursework and discussions. Some programs, particularly in finance or economics, may also require a high GMAT or GRE score to assess quantitative and analytical skills, with competitive scores helping to strengthen your application in these demanding fields. Undergraduate applications are submitted through UCES, the Universities and Colleges Admissions Service, with the application cycle opening in September each year and the main deadline typically falling in mid-January for equal consideration. Postgraduate applications are made directly through the LSE graduate application system and are accepted on a rolling basis throughout the year, so applying early is highly recommended to secure your spot and funding opportunities. International students needing a visa must apply for a UK student visa, for which LSE will issue a confirmation of acceptance for studies, or CAS, number upon accepting your offer, serving as a key document in the process. You can apply for your visa up to 6 months before your program starts if applying from outside the UK, or up to 3 months in advance if you are already in the UK, allowing ample time for processing. Required documents include your valid passport, the CAS number from LSE, evidence of sufficient funds to cover tuition fees and living costs for at least 9 months, English proficiency results, and a TB test certificate if applicable based on your country. You'll also need to pay the immigration health surcharge to access NHS services. Provide biometric information such as fingerprints and a photograph at a visa application center, and may need to attend a credibility interview to verify your intentions. LSE offers various scholarships and financial aid options specifically for international students, including the LSE Undergraduate Support Scheme, which helps alleviate financial burdens for those pursuing bachelor's degrees. This scheme provides partial funding ranging from £6,000 to £15,000 annually for undergraduate students who can demonstrate financial need, making higher education at LSE more accessible worldwide. Master's awards offer partial tuition fee coverage based on merit and need, while PhD studentships provide comprehensive financial support, often covering full tuition fees along with a stipend for living expenses during research. The Graduate Support Scheme awards scholarships based on academic merit and financial need to cover tuition or living costs, and external options like the Commonwealth Master's Scholarships are available for students from eligible countries. Always indicate your interest in LSE funding during the program application process by selecting the relevant option, as this is a critical step to be considered for these valuable opportunities. Given the intense competition for places at LSE, it is advisable to submit your application as early as possible within the deadlines and prepare all documents carefully to avoid any errors or delays. Check country-specific requirements on the LSE website. Seek personalized advice from LSE's International Student Visa Advice Team for visa queries, and attend virtual open events to gain insights into programs and the application process. LSE boasts a diverse and vibrant community with students from over 140 different countries, fostering a rich global environment that enhances cross-cultural learning and networking opportunities. Its prime central London location provides easy access to world-class cultural institutions, theaters, museums, and social opportunities, while LSE offers a range of university accommodations scattered throughout the city for convenient living. By following this detailed guide step by step, international students can confidently navigate the entire application process to LSE, from preparation to submission, and significantly increase their chances of gaining acceptance to this world-leading university.